we go for the second match of Game 5 matchup between table toppers Meiphung FC and bottom.
Yes, scored 4 goals at the end. Do you think that he has a important role to play in the attacks?
Of course. Samikan in from Warren, and the unlikeliest of outcome here in this match as raphei take the lead against Meiphung. Team in white.
Definitely, they are now in a hurry to score a goal.
On Prom with a shot, Songam has stolen it off. Ture, and Songam has scored for Meiphung. The equalizer has come from Songam, who finds the back of the net. 2 games in a row. Yes. Jahami falls to Julian, and Julian has found the back of the net for the 5th game running now. 6 for Julian in the tournament, and that's more like it from Meiphung. Bless. Shooting at the near post, and Hori Pum in for a third from Meiphung. Hori Pum scores for the 2nd game running, and some daylight now for Meiphung.
Earlier in the first half, raphei FC can still surprise them with a counter. They should not be underestimated. They still have that caliber to score more goals.
Hori Pum, great side, wonderful finish from the centre back. That was the finish of an elite midfielder from the centre back who's playing in midfield today. Kongam. Another touch for Sojipen. Good pass to find Jahami. Jahami gets the cross in. Falls to Machinmi. Wonderful strike from the youngster. First time from the number 14. And in for a 5th for Meiphung. How about that pass and how about that strike from the youngster? Who has put in a man of the match performance in this game here. Hori Pum still looking for his hat-trick, but his shot always rising over the crossbar.